Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, friends.
Morning.
Okay. How are you today?
Morning.
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine too. I'm so glad to see you all today in this Zoom meeting. And the Honorable Mrs. Ayu Oktaviani is a lecturer in speaking for academic purpose and all my beloved friends. Okay, my name is Diva Aulia Rahmi. Today I will present about improving students' listening skill using podcasts. And okay, first let me explain about this material. Let me share. Abstract. The purpose of this study is to discover the use of podcasts in improve students' listening skill. Wait. The quantitative techniques was used in this research. The data were obtained from the pre-experimental techniques. This research was conducted to find out the information about the improvement of students' listening skill on using podcasts. However, the students faced difficulties in comprehending audio at the first meeting. After giving a treatment by using podcasts, the finding revealed that podcasts help students to improve their listening skills. It was proven by the improvement of the mean score of students pre-test and post-test. In pre-test, the score is 36.3 and post-test score is 63.3. Overall, this study suggests that developing English listening skill can be boosted with podcasts. Okay, next. Introduction. Listening is a complex interactive process of which the learners interest what they know and what they hear, and then apply linguistic knowledge in the understanding of the message. From a schematic point of view, it involves the connection between the information and the experience they are currently acquiring. Listening is a skill that many students feel difficulties to master. According ASME 2014, point of the several difficulties that students face in the learning process. First, the quality of the recorded material is essential. It can affect students in comprehending the audio. Second, cultural differences can give a significant effect on the student's understanding. If listening requires entirely different cultural materials, then it will be more difficult for the learners to comprehend the message. The third is the dialect. Foreign language, both native and non-native, can cause a significant learning issue. The fourth is the unfamiliar vocabulary. It gives the time length for listeners because they have a while consider the vocabulary that they listen to. And then the last is the speed of the speech. And speakers' conversation becomes a significant problem for listeners because they cannot control how speakers speak. Next, population and samples. A population is the total of all individuals who have specific characteristics and the researcher interests. According Creswell, 2008, state that a population is a group of individuals who have the same characteristic. This study was conducted in the Department of English Language Education of University Islam Negeri Araniri, Banda Aceh, which involved students in 2018 and 2019 as the participants. They are taking listening for academic purpose subject in the fourth semester. It is the highest level of learning listening. Therefore, they are appropriate to become the population in this research. The total population is 220 students. They are divided into 8 classes. Each class consists of 34 students. Meanwhile, the sample is a part of the population itself and has the characteristic to investigate. Next, data collection procedures. In gaining data needed in this research, the researcher conducted some appropriate techniques. First is pre-experimental class and test. Pre-experimental class, the researcher need a pre-experimental class to apply to listen by using the podcast. The class used by the researcher is one class only. The data researchers intend to collect the data during the ongoing pre-experimental class, including the investigation on how podcast improves student listening skills. The researcher, next text. The researcher used a text to measure student abilities before and after the teaching learning process. It is intended to find out whether the podcast improves student listening skills. Next, data analysis procedures. The data was analyzed using quantitative analysis. The podcast was administered to measure the improvement of their listening from the pre-test and post-test. In other words, the data analysis was conducted to construct data from the pre-test and post-test. Mean is used to find out the average of the whole sample. Therefore, in analyzing the test score, the researcher calculates the mean of student scores using statistical formula. And then, result and discussions. After carrying out the pre-test, the researcher analyzed the data by using a statistical calculation. The analysis was used to find out whether there was a significant difference between the pre-test and post-test results after the treatment was given. Pre-test. Based on the pre-test highest score was 60 and the lowest score was 40. The second is post-test. After calculating the students' pre-test scores, the researchers continued to analyze the students' post-test scores. To analyze the post-test score, the researcher used the same formula as in the pre-test from the arranged data before. It shows that the highest score of the post-test was 80 and the lowest score was 50. Okay, that's my explanation. Now I will open the question and answer session. I will open to question only. So if you have any questions, please ask me. Any questions?
Okay, it's me.
Okay, Ragil.
Okay, my name is Ragil. My question is it only with podcasts that we can improve our listening skill?
Okay, thank you for the questions. I'll waiting for one more question. Okay, I still waiting for the second question. Okay, please.
Okay, thank you for your explanation. I have a question. In your opinion, it is the method that can be effective to improve student skills?
Okay. Enough? Okay. Okay, thank you for the question, Ragil and Devi. Please give me the time to answer your questions. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Okay, I will answer the question from Ragil. The question is it only with podcasts that we can improve our listening skills, right? Okay. In my opinion, not only with podcasts, but it can also with listen to music, English songs, or watch English films without using subtitles, of course. This way, it will be improve our listening skills to get used to. Okay, that's my answer.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Diva.
Okay, next I will answer the question from Devi. Where's Devi? Okay. Your question is, in your opinion, is this the method that can be effective to improve students' listening skill? Okay. In my opinion, yes. It is as I explained the previous questions, the question from Ragil. It can improve our listening skill. For in this way, we become accustomed to and can also easily understanding what people say in English. Okay. How about my answer?
Okay, thank you, Diva, for the answer. I understand.
Okay. So, yeah, thank you. I think that's all my explanation about this material, improving listening skill using podcasts. Before I close this meeting, let me conclude the materials. Okay. In accordance with the research finding and data analysis in the previous section, several conclusions can be made. Firstly, there was an improvement of student listening skill that was evidenced by comparing between mean score of pre-test and post-test, which were from 36.3 to 63.3. The increase of both mean score was gained after the researchers gave the treatment for several meetings to the students. It can be inferred that all participants have good experience in learning listening by using podcasts. Podcasts provide proper materials to practice listening. All participants recommend lecturers to use podcasts in learning process, whether it is face-to-face learning classroom or online class. Thus, they can practice consistently to improve their listening skills. So yeah, that's my explanation about this material. I hope you enjoy and can understand it, what I was explained. Thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.